Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. KuCoin price analysis. KCS price prepares to kickstart another recovery, ready to buy. On February 24th, the KCS-USDT pair showed a long-tailed rejection from the $17.7 support, indicating the buyers are aggressively defending this level. The MANA price has turned green today, challenging the immediate resistance of $18.9. Can buyers surpass the overhead resistance to initiate their recovery rally? KuCoin Community CHAIN, KCC, launches a $50 million ecosystem accelerator program. The KCC announced a $50 million accelerator program to empower projects in its ecosystem. Developers can build innovative platforms on the KCC network containing integrations that offer technical assistance, marketing, investment, incubation, liquidity support, and listing opportunities. According to KCC, this program holds 4 components, i.e., Builder's Bounty, Project Contests Hackathon, Project Incubation as wearable in the metaverse, with more details intended to be shared by 10 March. Bulova, as a 147-year-old brand, has a strong presence in the market. And, with the company making a move into the virtual world, Decentraland would attract more brand users to join the metaverse. If the plan works, then, Decentraland would be able to pull some investment out of people, since on-chain data shows Decentraland is not doing very well. Land sales, for instance, have been diminishing instead of rising. Decentraland plot sales skyrocketed in November and managed to sell up to 1,551 plots, bringing in $13.6 million. However, volumes were much higher in January at $16 million, despite land sales dropping to 1,328. This is also because value from its high of $3.48 in October. As for decentralized finance, DeFi, payment network Terra, Luna, it is trading at $87.81, down almost 18% from its all-time high of $103.60. Looking at Bitcoin, the crypto strategist predicts a short-term bounce for BTC above $40,000 before the top crypto resumes its downtrend. Weekly close awful on BTC and that then looking like any early week strength up to $42,000 is probably a short back to range lows again, in my opinion. Crucial price points. Over the past month, MANA depreciated in a falling wedge on its daily chart. Since its decline phase, the alt has struggled to keep itself above the mean of Bollinger Bands, BB. The price has entered into a tight phase in the last 3 weeks, thus hinting at a possible volatile phase in the days to come. From here on, the $2.3 mark would be a vital price point for the buyers to step in and prevent a further decline. Also, recently the volumes have been on a plunge, hence, revealing a weak bear move. If the bulls manage to uphold the immediate support, the alt would likely continue its low volatility phase, before making it known for its chic clothing stores and decor. The event is slated to run between March 24th to March 27th, according to the press release. Decentraland is exchanging hands at $2.71 at time of writing, a 16% increase from its 7-day low of $2.27. And last news today about Avalanche, Avax, and several Ethereum rivals now look very unhealthy, warns top crypto strategist. A popular crypto analyst says Avalanche, Avax, and other leading Layer 1 platforms are starting to flash signs of weakness. Pseudonymous analyst Smart Contractor tells his 205,000 Twitter followers that smart contract platform Avalanche looks bearish after printing consecutive lower highs in its United States dollars and Bitcoin, BTC, pairs. Back in November, fellow smart contract platform Solana, Sol, printed an all-time high of $259. The Ethereum smart could keep up the recovery hopes alive. Also, the squeeze momentum indicator affirmed the squeeze phase over the last 3 weeks, thus reaffirming the possibility of a volatile period in the coming days. And last, conclusion, MANA is truly in a dicey territory. If the bulls ensure the $2.3 base, the chances of a reversal from its falling wedge were bright. But a close below this level could cause a $2.1 retest before a revival phase. Besides, they all shared a 73% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. So, keeping a watch on the King Coins movement would be crucial to complement the above analysis. And second news today is, could Decentraland's phygital move be the catalyst for Mana land sales? Both Decentraland and the Sandbox have been pushing the metaverse to the general public. Alas, owing to present market conditions, their plans do not seem to be working. For his part, however, Decentraland does not seem to want to back down. Its latest effort to push metaverse to the mainstream audience may just be proof of the same. Decentraland X Bulova. According to an announcement 2 days ago, Decentraland has now introduced a new phygital watch to the world. Launched by Bulova in partnership with D-Cave, the watch has been described. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.